This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Christopher Benson. Completely rebuilt in 2020 by a seasoned home builder and originally intended to be a demonstration home for future new construction. The home features beautiful wood beam and inverted hip vault ceilings. Complete LED wiring throughout the entire home. Completely new copper and PVC plumbing. Hurricane impact glass throughout the entire exterior and interior of the home. Solid wood doors with rain glass. This 4-bed/3-bath home is positioned in close proximity to almost everything the Pompano Beach lifestyle has to offer. Plenty of room to add a pool, outdoor kitchen and a driveway. With a little added polish, this hidden gem will be a treasure for your family or your real estate portfolio. Under attachments you will find the property brochure and appreciate all 408 Northeast 23rd has to offer. For more information, review the details below or contact Christopher Benson at 954-315-6000.